Hi there, it's me, Denim, from Paidnice. And what I wanted to show you today is our new custom payment links functionality that we've just taken live with Paidnice. Now, what does this let you do? It lets you include any of the payment methods that you use in your business, be it PayPal, Stripe, WinCave, whichever it may be. It allows you to be able to accept payments for all of your invoices across Xero or QuickBooks Online. When you're using Paidnice, it enables you to be able to use those on your payment portals. Now, what does that look like? A good example is over here. So on the Paidnice payment portal, once clients have clicked through it from receiving reminders or statements or anything else like that, they'll obviously receive this portal here and they get to see what they owe you. Now you can see we've got a little pay now button there, but we can also click into invoices and we can basically also see what they owe you here. Now, previously you would have to go through the accounting system like through here to make payment, or if you did use one of our existing direct payment integrations with Stripe or Pinch, then you'd be able to do it there as well. But now we can have this pay now button here, which takes you to the payment portal across anything. So in this situation, I've actually connected it with PayPal. You can see here now I can directly pay PayPal on their portal for the invoice, and it pulls through all the different invoice information. It pulls through the right invoice number, pulls through the right amount in the right currency, and it also makes sure it goes to the right account as well, as you can see up there. So these are different parameters that you can set inside of Paidnice through the URL that we set. So that's essentially how it looks on that side of things. And it means that anyone can pay any other payment provider that you use that we might not directly integrate with, but you can at least direct them to there from our portal. Now, how it works is we actually need to take a URL from the provider and then be able to, then we input like merge tags to essentially create the custom elements in that URL that then fills out that checkout link for you. So an example is we can pull through the invoice number, the what's due, the amount, and then the currency. And then also we want to be able to customize by putting in your own either email address to associate it with your account or a sort of short code or something else similarly. So we can do that with. So you can also do it as well for, we can pop it in also into your emails as well, and Paidnice emails. So we can literally have that link directly into them. So you could even completely avoid the portal whatsoever altogether and direct them directly just into the payment link there. Now, how do we do that? So you're going to come over to the org settings over here inside Paidnice. And you're going to pop over to payment providers, and you're going to come down here and you can see the others that we existing already integrate with, but then you can see the custom payment link here. Now, this is going to be separate for whichever payment provider you use. And I recommend chatting to us first about this so that we can help you set this up to make sure it's set up correctly. But in this scenario, I've taken the PayPal one, because it's pretty widely known. Everyone uses PayPal, or has used it at least at some point in their life. And they have their own sort of URL structure here, which is PayPal, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. You can kind of find this on the support documentation, or ChatGPT or similar can help you. And then I've input my own data here. So I wanted to go to my account, and this is all based on their own link structure. And we can set this up again, customized to them and for you. And so we'll put that there. Currency code is obviously invoice currency. And then also the due amount and invoice number has come through there. And these are the merge tags here that you can work with. So we've got the due amount, short code for your account, invoice number, and then invoice currency. Now, what that does is, just like I showed you before, you can basically come in here, click on it, and it's going to take you through to the checkout on that particular account. And then you can see all the right invoice information and the amounts come through there. So that's essentially how it works. In terms of setting it up, it's going to be custom for every single different payment provider, but reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to help, to show you how. But yeah, now you can basically close the loop on any reminders and everything else to set payment through there. So awesome. Thanks. Ciao.